Today I'm gonna show you how to skid like this. To learn a skid, so what you learn. If you have a cleats, it's okay, it's easy. You just pull it like at your right feet, pull it, and at your left feet, put it down so you can skid. If you have strap, put it at the right pedal and pull it, and your right feet pull it. Okay, and your left feet don't put a strap. Just in your left feet, just put it down. Like put pressure on it so you can skid. So I learned to skid by so you learn now. So thank you for watching to my video. Bye.